Hey guys, I'm playing Golden right now. I'm trying to.
You don't have friends, 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 you don't have friends. You don't have friends. You don't have friends, so get out!
Oh baby,
Don't I can move on. Move on. What the fuck was that? Ew, bro! What is that? Harley Rider. Ay na, sasabihin ko kayo. Taksi Manago, Ragdago. No! Double kill sana. Pangit ka sa siya. Fine. This is my only hope. Hindi kasi ko marunong mag-edit eh. What the fuck is that? Hindi ako marunong mag-edit. Hindi ako marunong mag-edit ng oh baby, doll, I can't move on. Dapat ako yung performance with sniper eh, dahil nakill ko yung isa eh. Maduga kasi siya na yun, walang pret. Sa kaninindi na, wala. Yan, dalawa lang talaga yun nandyan. Visit! Yan, ikil mo nga yung dalawa na...
Maikin ko na sana yun eh. Mag-grandmaster na kami isa.
Ako din na mag-grandmaster niya. Ako din mag-6-7. This is my only hope.
Ay, sakit.
Adj bubulay ang ginggong. Hindi yun namatay! Madugan na siyan kasi in-invite pa yun eh. I need more subs, please. Guys, I need money to impress my lolo.
Tango down. Changing mag.
Oh my god, you're pressing your substrate wheel.
Yeah, boy. Yeah. So guys, today they are not know my possible ways. Wala. Nasa busy lang. Nasa A. No! Please! I'm gonna clutch his guys. Sino ba si Porky Din WX? Si Din? Hindi ko yun alam. Oh shit!
Frag out.
Nasa baba ng A. Maglilib na sana ako. Kiling. I bet I'm gonna ace.
Destroy the objective.
Two down.
Yun dun kill. Tayo. Isa. Kinary ko si Din. Iyo.